Baba uyaphila? Uyaphila. Kuyasebenza kodwa?
Hayi kuyancanga.
Ubaba ubani igama?
Hayi uSnapper kaMaphanga.
Mabanga.
Maphanga.
Maphanga kumnendawo baba?
Wasebhulu.
Ibhulwa. Inkwezela, Masameni.
Hayi
Kabuza. Ubaba ufike nini la?
Ngeke ngo 2001.
Mhlawumbe ubaba ngabe yini mhlawumbe emletha lekhaya?
Hayi ngalethe icala
le rape. Ubaba uyalazi lelo cala.
Yebo ayiyala.
Mhlawumbe ngasithatha usibeke ukuthi mhlawumbe kwenzakalani.
Ayikunzima kakhulu. Ayikunzima.
Wemnganani lo muntu lo?
Hayi wekhulile yena kodwa wengaphansi kwakhe.
Anivumelananga.
Hayi because ngithi asivumelani.
So khona kodwa ukufunda baba okufundayo nje kule khaya.
Hayi kukhona.
Nokusola.
Nginako ukuyisola. Khona.
Mhlawumbe ngabe uthini umyalezo wakho nje kwabanye abakhona ngaphandle?
Nje usho ukuthi okwami kubafowethu laba bakemnyango kufanele bakwazi ukuphatha nabantu babaphatha kahle abantu besifazane.
Okay, siyabonga.
Ukhalele ungathi ubone egqoke isiqephelezane ukuthi naku kulahle.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkoswati Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a video that is circulating the Panakuma social media platforms, the TikTok, Yabubabe, Labasechele, Labalababili. So the other one, the first one, Dlamini did say you would tagala dilkal. So ungenela pechele 2009, and the second one uthen ungenela pa 2001 ngelikala lokudlingula guys. Mbona nje uthi soze sokhulile sho uthi this year uthi 25 years ala pechele for rape. So guys, I want to know ukuthi wayahlala iminyaka lemingaka for rape. Hence there are people lababulala kubantu bahlala isikhathi lesincane, umuntu uthola ukuthi uhlale 14 years uhlale 15 years ejele. Why yena ahlale 25 years ejele for qala lokudlengula? I stand to be corrected if I'm wrong, I don't know, but I want to know ukuthi kungani. And people were shocked lapha kuma social media platforms ukuthi kungani yena ahlale 25 years. Hence bantu lababulele bahlala isikhathi lesincane. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.